WP Sell Services, turning on payments. The free plugin includes standalone checkout, so no store plugin is required. The Gateways tab lists every payment method, each one enabled independently. Stripe, PayPal, and offline payment are free. Stripe Connect and Razorpay come with Pro. Offline payment covers bank transfer, cash, and any other manual method you settle yourself. Open Stripe and tick Enable Stripe to switch it on. Leave test mode on, and paste your test secret and publishable keys while you are trying it out. Your live keys go in the fields underneath, ready for the day you turn test mode off. Check the commission rate before the first real payment because it splits every order. A test order then appears in admin with its status and both parties on it. The financial summary splits it into the vendor's earning and your commission. Last, set the minimum withdrawal and the clearance period so vendors can actually be paid. Payments live. Start taking orders.